How does Good Sam Roadside Assistance work? If you have ever found yourself stranded on the side of the road, you know how important it is to have reliable help. Good Sam Roadside Assistance is here to provide that support when you need it most. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Good Sam Roadside Assistance operates as a membership service designed to assist you when your vehicle, whether it is an automobile, recreational vehicle, trailer, or even a rented vehicle, encounters issues on the road. When you find yourself in need of help, you simply contact Good Sam Roadside Assistance. Their system will quickly identify your location and the type of service you requiring. Once your request is received, they will dispatch the nearest available service provider from their extensive roadside network. This network includes towing companies and service centers that are part of Good Sam's contracts, ensuring you receive consistent and reliable service. One of the key features of Good Sam Roadside Assistance is that it covers multiple vehicles under one plan. This includes motorized recreational vehicles, fifth wheels, utility trailers, and even leased vehicles. You can enjoy unlimited distance towing to the nearest willing and capable service center. This means you can be towed without worrying about how far you are from home, all at no extra cost. Additionally, Good Sam offers access to certified recreational vehicle technicians who can provide operational and technical assistance. This includes minor roadside repairs that can save you time and hassle. If you need repairs done on-site, their mobile mechanic service can come to your location, and you will only be responsible for the cost of parts and labor. Another benefit is the tire and wheel road hazard protection. This covers tire replacement and wheel repair or replacement up to a specified amount for each incident. You also have access to emergency travel and medical assistance services, which include medical evacuation and transportation home after a medical emergency. Good Sam Roadside Assistance is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ensuring you can get help whenever you need it. Now, how does this compare to auto insurance roadside assistance? While some auto insurance policies do offer roadside assistance, Good Sam's membership provides broader coverage options. For instance, their service includes unlimited towing distances and covers a wider range of vehicles, making it particularly beneficial for recreational vehicle owners or those with multiple vehicles. In summary, Good Sam Roadside Assistance is a comprehensive service designed to provide peace of mind on the road. It complements traditional auto insurance by offering specialized roadside services that may not be included in standard policies. So, if you want to ensure you have the best support when you need it, consider Good Sam Roadside Assistance for your travel needs.